Hello students, today we will discuss about the equivalent fraction. So what is equivalent fraction? Suppose we want to find out the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. So equivalent fraction will become after multiplying the same number with the numerator and the denominator. That means suppose if you multiply the numerator by 2, you have to multiply the denominator also by 2. Then which number will become? 4 by 10. That means 4 by 10 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. You can find out like this way. Another equivalent fraction, suppose you want to multiply with 3. If you multiply 3 with the numerator denominator, then which number will come? 6 by 15. That means 6 by 15 also the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. And equivalent also come by dividing the same number with the numerator and denominator. And these two numbers, look, these two numbers is divisible by 5. That means if you divide these two numbers by 5, then which number will become? 2 by 4. That means 2 by 4 is also equivalent fraction of 10 by 20. Now look, this 10 by 20 also divide by 10 also. That means if you divide by 10, what you will get? You will get 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 is the equivalent fraction of 10 by 20. If you multiply something with the 10 by 20, you also find some equivalent fractions. If you multiply with 2, then what we will get? Then we will get 20 by 40. That means 20 by 40 is the equivalent fraction of 10 by 20. In this way, you can find manifold equivalent fraction of a fractional number. So look at our problems. Go to our exercise. In our exercise 6b, so question number 4 is given, 4a. Here is given 2 by 5 equal to 2 into, here one blank space, and here is given 5 into, that is given also here one blank space. So this will be one blank space also is here by 25. Now look at here. So how 25 will come from 5 after multiplying 5 with 5? Yeah, that means this blank space will fill with 5. Clear? But these all are equal. That means these all fractional numbers are equivalent fraction. That means you have to multiply in the same number with the numerator also. We are multiplying 5 with the denominator, and you have to multiply in the same number, that means 5, with the numerator also. So if you multiply 5 with the numerator, you will get 10. Yeah, that means the blank space will with 10. 10 by 25 is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. Now go to another example, question number D. So question number D is given 1 by 2 is equal to, there is 2 blank space, numerator, denominator also, and here is given one blank space is here by 8. Now look how 8 will come from 2 after multiplying 4. You know that 2 into 4 will be 8. Here, that means this 4 we have to multiply with the numerator number also. That means this will be 1 into 4. So the number will be 4 by 8 happen. Here. Now go to next one, question number F. So question number 8 is F is given. There is given 8 by 12 is equal to, there is 2 blank space, and there is one blank space is here, and another denominator portion number is given 3. Now look at here, 3 is smaller than 12. These are equivalent fractions. That means how 3 come? That means 3 came after dividing by something with 12. Clear? So which number divide by 12 we will get 3? This will be 4, because you know that 12 by 4 you will get 3. That means this 4 you have to divide with the numerator number also. Clear? That means this will be 8 by 4. So 8 divided by 4 you will get 2. Clear? Now go to next one, question number I. So question number I is given 50 by 90. Here is 2 blank space, numerator denominator, and here is 1 blank space is here, another one is 9. Now look, the denominator portion number is given 9. This 9 is smaller than 90. That means 9 is came after dividing something with 90. That means you have to find which number divided by 90 you will get 9. So this is nothing but 10. If you divide 90 by 10, you will get 9. So this 10 you have to divide with 50 also. Here you have to divide the same number or multiply the same number with the numerator or denominator if you want to get equivalent fraction. So if you divide 50 by 10, you will get 5. Here, that means the blank space fill with 5. Now go to next one. The next question number 5. So question number 5 is given 5a. Here is given 1 by 4 is equal to 2, and here is 1 blank space. Now look at here. This 2 is greater than 1. That means after multiplying something you will get 2. Clear? That means you have to find out which number multiply with 1 you will get 2. This is nothing but 2, because you know that 1 into 2 you will get 2, and this 2 you have to multiply with this 4 also. That means if you multiply 2 with 4 you will get 8. So this will be 8 happen. Clear? Now go to next one, question number C. So question number C is given 5 by 10. So here is given 50 and here is 1 blank space. Now look, 50 is greater than 5. That means after multiply something with 5 you will get 50. Clear? Now you have to find out which number multiply with 5 you will get 50. Now look, you know that 5 into 10 is equal to 50. If you multiply 5 with 10 you will get 50. If you can't find it like this way, you can find like this way also. If you divide 50 by 5 you will get the answer 10. Here that means if you multiply by 10 with 5 you will get 50, and this 10 you have to multiply with this 10 also. If you multiply 10 with 10 you will get 100. So the blank space will fill with 100. Now go to next one, question number H. Now look at question number H. So here is given 10 by 12. Now look, here is given 5 given. Now look at here, 5 is smaller than 10. That means after dividing something with 10 you will get 5. You have to find out which number divided by 10 you will get 5. Now look, if you divide by 2 you will get 5, and these 2 you have to divide with 12 also. That means 12 divided by 2 you will get 6. So the answer will be 6 happen. Yeah. Now go to question number M. Now question number M is given 25 by 75. So here is given the numerator number is 1 and you have to find out the denominator number. Look at here also, this 1 is smaller than 25. That means after dividing something with 25 you will get 1. You have to find out that dividing number. So if you divide 25 by 5 you will get 1. That means you have to divide 75 by 25 also. If you divide 75 by 25 you will get 3. So 3 is the answer. Clear? This way you have to do other problems. Thank you.